wonder why tech is all the rage these days? Everyone is now talking about AI, blockchain, coding, or even something as simple as Excel. In today's video, I'll show you why choosing tech could be one of the smartest decisions you will ever make. And it's not just about the money, so let's dive in. First off, let's talk why tech really matters. Technology has reshaped the world in ways we couldn't have imagined in a decade ago. And it's not just about social media or gadgets. It's about how we live, how we solve problems, how we work. Think of it, tech is behind most of the life-changing innovations we have today. When you talk of smart homes, talk of electric cars, talk of how AI has revolutionized the health sector. So tech is the future, and the beautiful part of it is there's room for you in it. Now here's the fun part. Tech isn't just for coders. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a UI UX designer, a video editor, or even an AI trainer. So there are lots of opportunities. Guess what? You can use tech skills to thrive in any industry, be it education, be it entertainment, fashion, agriculture, you name it. Listen, the world is hungry for tech talent, and companies all over the world are looking for problem solvers. They're looking for innovators, and you don't have to be a nerd or a math whiz to learn a skill in tech. All you need is the willingness and the commitment to adapt. So you're not interested. How do you begin? Okay, first off, tell yourself mentally, psychologically, I want to do this. Number two, start with free online courses. Here are some of the platforms you can learn tech skills for free. Number three, watch YouTube tutorials. YouTube is such a gold mine for learning, and you might want to take advantage of it. Number four, join a community, be it an online community like on Facebook, on any other social media, or even physical local meetings. If I may advise, you can join my community here to help you enjoy the process while you learn. Finally, I advise you, enjoy the process, experiment. It could be as something simple as downloading a Canva app and learning how to create a design, and you definitely enjoy it. But just calm down, you don't have to be in so much rush. So calm down, take it one step after the other. Look, tech isn't just about coding, it's about possibilities. It's about staying relevant in a fast-changing world, and it's about creating something meaningful. And the truth is, you don't have to be a nerd, you don't have to be a computer graduate or a computer whiz to do this. With the willingness, the passion, and then with the right skill and dedication, you're good to go. Talk about the right skill. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to pick the right tech skill. I mean, in whatever industry you are, I'll show you what skill would help implement your profession. So this is where we draw the curtain for today. If you haven't subscribed to this video, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and join the community, and I promise you it's going to be a really interesting journey, tech journey. Thank you. Bye.